to the Government of Meghalaya, Shri D.P. Walang, and Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, the Director General of Police. Our chief guest is being escorted to the flagpole by two NCC cadets of the 2nd Meghalaya Battalion, Senior Under Officer Sneha Kumari and Senior Under Officer Bante Kordor Suchang from St. Mary's College. Ladies and gentlemen.
Haka kat santerek unailar arhajar arpuar rengkat berkiri berokawai ka Jylla Meghalaya ru Jingrakhe kesni kabagari Jingrakhe ya kalengko senam kabah nyupsan jong kejingyok la luat ka Jingrakhe kelalong habarok di distrik jong Jylla hendrai kabah kam hehi kedik kebala penlong haka ni kenong ba shilong ya ka Jingrakhe ya kalengko senam bah nyupsan jong kesingyok la luat haka ni kenong ba shilong la penlong hamadan polo shilong kum baju penlong malaka senam Hagaba Menteri Rang Ba Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum kongsan ulu penher kalama lairong jokeri batshim ya ka Rashtriya Salute yagi kenhun baper keble shimbenta haga jingyat parit u Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bah ka Jingrakhe ke jingdap nyupsan snem jong ke jingyok la luat keri dei ban ken mau kerpang yagi nong yalam ki barat ba ki belalan yala ka jong ke jingem bane khun persya ki pareng nadu Mahatma Gandhi u Jawaharlal Nehru u Subhash Chandra Bose Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel u Bhagat Singh bat kiwe-kiwe. Ulapan kan mauru bahaka sautrek yayong Shajar Praspa arp kundai u CM kahima nongklau utirat sing CM u lahir thmai ki pareng daga belum ki khasi. Badhaka khat artrek no apra Shajar Praspa anyo puar u patugan sangma u layalam ki pat garo bani khun persya ki pareng. Badhaka khat pratrek kula lengkot Shajar Praspa andro puar u kyang nangba u layalam ki pat ba karilum jantia bani khun persya ki pareng. Bat kini kinong yalam jong Jylla kle kun persya ki pareng bat kilalan yala ke jong jing em naga benta keri u Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulai kublei kinong yalam bat ya barok ki badan benta ki balanok senyang ban penlong ya kenegari kumba kalong benta uloong bah kini saus nem steng ke sarkar Jylla kala plek jingmon naga benta upat ba bat kanu kono ka mat trekam ka bakala thau bat karai ka bakala shim kadai ka babu hak kmat e upat ba ya kini ke Jingrakhe la pen ipo ipeng dagi jingrawai ba jingshat nagi kenhuan baper bala samru ki kusnam baper haga ni ke Jingrakhe.
Taking the salute now is the 1st MLP Battalion Women's Wing led by its commander Ms. Wansuk Mirthong by ABSI Shanborlin Lingdor. Taking the salute now is the NCC Boys Contingent led by Nasib R. Mara. Following closely behind the NCC Boys Contingent and taking the salute now is the NCC Girls Contingent led by Padakar Hai Nongster. Arriving at the saluting dais and taking the salute now is the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Arriving at the saluting dais among the schools is St. Edmund's High Secondary School led by Commander Kainat Jahan. NCC Girls Contingent led by Padakar Hai Nongster. Arriving at the saluting dungeon of the District Force East Khasias Meghalaya Police led by Dinesh Boro. Taking the salute now is the Higher Secondary School Shillong, led by Nityan Karnayor and Lakandev S. Pakma. Following St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School and taking the salute now is Nongra Presbyterian Secondary School. And taking the salute now is Nongra Presbyterian Secondary School, led by Sanda Kermen Benro. Independence Day Parade. And arriving at the saluting dais, multi-purpose Higher Secondary School, led another rural school participating with us in this. Following the contingent from Unitarian Higher Secondary School, Puriang, is the contingent of St. Joseph's Girls Higher Secondary School, Jayao, led by Master Claret Jaden Wanyang.
Round of applause for the striking display of parade at the 75th Independence Day celebrations here in Shillong, the result of untiring efforts put in by the contingents and drill masters braving the heat these past few days.
And I tell them that it's not that we are ministers or chief minister. That is not the kind of mindset that I would like to work with. But I would like to see that we dedicate ourselves to our people. And that's what has driven us in the last 4.5 years to do what we have been trying to do. And in all the process that we have moved forward, we have realized that so many things have been happening in the last 50 years in the state or last 75 years in this country. But we have not been able to get the maximum benefit and output out of it. Somewhere there's been a lack in implementation of things. Somewhere there's been a lack in the monitoring of the schemes. Somewhere there's been a lack in the capacity building of our officials and of our political leaders. Somewhere there's been a gap in the delivery mechanism to the grassroots level. Somewhere we have not utilized the technology that's available today to be able to achieve things in a much quicker and faster way. Sometimes we have missed that there's a holistic approach to everything rather than departments working in silos. And all these thought processes has driven us to do what we did in the last 4.5 years. There have been many difficult situations which we faced. Many tough decisions that we had to make. But as I was telling you, I believe that God Almighty has given us this opportunity to serve the people for a purpose.
Jaka kisput kari janga, ki mau bersih, ki mau benar, kiting ir baem haka merasat ja, dan ken mau ir yakin genter alta. Amanu panbukin panam yaki, syakitai, syakitai, umuklur, umuklur jongki.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.